Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm alive, yay! Nah, it's been a while since I've made a video. I know that. These past month and a half, 2 months has been an absolute mess. I had the guy that I was renting my house from, he just sold it out from under me like it was no big deal to him. Of course not. He lives out in California. And I live in Florida, so he don't care. People like that, they don't care whose lives they upset. But anyway, it took me a while to find a place to live. All I could find was this little rinky-dink. Well, it's not rinky-dink. It's a little small house. It's not too bad, I don't guess. It's not too bad. Anyway, I'm back in the game now. I'm going to be making more videos, and my first one's going to be about this table right here. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you guys what I got to do to it. There's the table. It's a homemade table. There's the legs, centerpiece. The table, it's all scratched up, and if you can see, let me see if I can get it here where you guys can see it. You can see how the edge band, which is made out of a 2x4, you can see how the epoxy is cracked all the way around. And like, for instance, here in the center, they didn't seal the wood before they put the first coat of epoxy on it, and it just ran through. Anyway, it's got all kind of scratches on it, imperfections, like, yeah, you can see them right there. I'm gonna fix all that stuff for them. I'm gonna sand it all back down, take some quick set, put in all the cracks, that way it'll seal off. And then I'm going to sand the whole thing down and re-epoxy it. So that should be fun. And oh, yeah, my little workshop. Let me turn this camera back around. My little workshop, I had to give it up. I couldn't afford to move it. So now I've got everything I'm going to be doing with epoxy. It's going to be done outside. Yeah, so let me walk out back of my great big backyard. I got a huge backyard. Let me show you. Excuse the lighting for a minute. Excuse my stuff strewed everywhere. I'm in the process of fashioning something so I can work under it. I'm just putting, I don't know what you'd call it, a lean-to maybe? No, not really. It's just, what I've done is I've taken some 2x4s and I'm going off the privacy fence, coming out with it. I'm just making a square frame, and I'm going to either wrap it with some 7mm or 7mm black plastic, or I might get some wood and put it on. It can't be permanent, that's the thing. I'm not sure if I just want it to span 8 foot or go over there to that corner and make it 16 feet. I'm unsure of what I should do yet. I have the wood to do it. I'm just not sure what I should do. If I should leave it 8 foot by 8 foot by 6 foot, or 16 feet by 8 foot by 6 foot. Which one you guys think I should do? And I'm gonna put them sawhorses out there, and that's where I'm gonna do all my pouring. And look at my big backyard. It's big, ain't it? I bet half you guys watching ain't got a yard this big. Let me go over here, way over here to this far end. Look how big that thing is. Yeah, well. I guess I have a place to live. That's all that counts, eh? But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now is this. Once I get this done, I'll get the table out here, put the table under it, and we'll get to work on that table. Oh, and this is one more thing I'm going to be doing. I got this to do too. This I'm going to do for my wife. I don't know where she got it, but whoever painted it didn't do a very good job on it. They painted it with a paintbrush, which, I mean, if that's all you got, that's all you got. But I'm going to either sand it or strip it completely and give it a good sanding, and then I'm going to either stain it or paint it. I'm not sure what she wants to do with it yet. Well, I know what she wants to do with some of the stuff she has in the house. She wants me to paint this a burnt orange. Yeah, burnt orange. Not too sure about that. What do you guys think it would look like? Burnt orange. Not too sure. Anyway, I just wanted to make this little quick video so you guys, or to let you guys know that I was back on YouTube and back in the game. I gotta still get all my stuff sorted out. I can't find half of my stuff. I mean, it's just, oh, it's been unreal. It sure has. Between this and all that's going on over there in Ukraine, it's just, it's unreal. I mean, Russia, that dude's crazy. There ain't another way to put it. He just absolutely, sorry about the light. He's just absolutely crazy. There ain't no other words for it. That's just simple fact. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching these videos and the ones that have stuck around and the new guys and gals that have started watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. It means more to me that I can express to you guys. But know that I'm back and I'm going to start pouring again. This channel is probably going to take a little bit of a different direction. Well, I'm still going to be using epoxy and pouring sinks and stuff like that, but I'm also going to add in building stuff and other things. And I have another channel called Robert Kellogg. I'm unsure what I'm going to do with that yet. I need a place that I can vent about everything that's going on in the world right now. It's crazy. And I've been putting food back. I've been prepping. I'll just say it, I've been prepping. And I suggest you guys do the same, because if we was to get into a conflict with Russia, it's not going to be good, because China is backing Russia. Yes, we have a strong military, but if you put boot to boot, China's got a massive military. Russia's got a big military. And I just don't know if we would be able to go toe-to-toe with them in a hand-to-hand battle. I mean, I'm just not too sure about that. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I really do. If you haven't got yourself subscribed yet, make sure you do that. Hit the bell icon. That way you get notified when my videos come out. And for the new ones that have never seen too many of my videos, I'm Robert. This is Liquid Creations. I epoxy just about anything you can put epoxy on, and other things. So thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button yourself. Get yourself subscribed. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.